Another object to insert text and annotations is the 2D graphics object text label. The first click sets the insert point. This can be on a specific object, for example. A second click sets the start point of the text box. One more click to define the text length. The editor here allows us to insert a description for the first row and a different description here in the second row. We can also add more rows or delete them or apply text effects with the formatting options. From the Properties toolbox, among other options, we can also modify text spacing, alignment, and the symbol type to use for the indication line and its size.